Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today I am going to be doing the probably best mod that I have done to my car in a long time and probably will do. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. But today is the time that finally the F10 535i finally gets some wheels. That's right, the F10 535i is finally getting wheels. It has been a very long time coming. Oh my gosh, this car absolutely needs wheels. The car looks fantastic everywhere, except for the not very aggressive, not very matching totally wheels. I've gotten a lot of comments about the wheels. Powder coat them, replace them, go aftermarket, OEM plus, whatever. And it's time, finally, I did actually pick up some wheels that I found on Facebook Marketplace. By the way, Marketplace is not sponsoring this video, but I love Marketplace. I mean, you can find literally anything on Marketplace. It's so useful. They're not sponsoring me, but if they want to, send me an email. But this is a big, honestly, for me, a milestone, because this is the first time that I've actually changed wheels on a car. I mean, I've only ever had, honestly, the Volvo C30 and this car, and I really want to change it on the Volvo, but these wheels, I mean, they've got to go. They're pretty, don't get me wrong. They're very pretty and they suit the car very nicely when the car is in stock form. But at this current point, the way that the car is looking, it's not really stock though, is it? It really isn't. So I have been thinking a lot about this, a lot of choices, a lot of options. I could go aftermarket, I could go, OEM, I could see what I could do. And I have finally decided on a choice maybe, when y'all are gonna watch this, maybe like 6 months ago. And I've been trying to find some ever since. And I just finally found some. So, I mean, honestly, I guess there's nothing left to do but to show y'all what wheels I got to put on my F10 535i. Let's go ahead and go over to the garage. We have the Mini right here. Of course, by the way, I make videos for this Mini Countryman S. Absolutely great car. More videos on the channel. Of course, the M4 right here. But you can see right next to the M4 are my brand new to me wheels. I have chosen some BMW 437M wheels off an F80 M3. I am so excited to put these wheels on because I have always loved these wheels. We love them so much that now we have two sets of 437M. These are the standard ones, and I got for my car the shadow line because I think that this dark color combination is going to look amazing with the dark blue contrasted with, of course, the gold calipers, the gold seat belts. It's finally going to start tying everything in, and it's going to look amazing. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I found these on Facebook Marketplace, and they are in pretty good condition, honestly. I'm really happy with them. Of course, these are the two fronts right here and the two rears back here without tires because, well, you have an M3, rear tires, they're expendable. But these wheels are in great condition. The only thing is, just right here, there's a little bit of chipping of the clear coat and right there. Other than that, honestly, the wheels are fantastic. Absolutely love them. I'm gonna switch over my TPMS sensors, but look at this. I mean, they are so light is one thing that I noticed. Compared to my OEM wheels, the 351M, these 437M wheels are incredibly light. I mean, look, not a lot of wheels I can just pick up with one hand and just start curling it. I mean, these are so light because if I'm not mistaken, they are fully forged. And because of that, it makes them so strong, but so light. You can see the design here. I absolutely love, I always have loved these specific wheels, the 437M in the shadow line option. They're gonna look amazing on the car. And I've actually chosen these wheels because I put the M4's wheels while we were putting the seatbelts on. I put these wheels on my car and it just looked amazing. Absolutely amazing. I loved it. And I knew I had to get some 437Ms for my car. So actually, we also put the 351s for my car on the M4 to replace it, and it looked ridiculous. It just looked so funny. But I knew I needed a set of 437Ms. So I was looking. I checked out some wheels, checked out others. They were all rough condition. This one, cheapest one I found, and the best condition. Absolutely amazing. The guy had a really clean F80 M3. I got pretty lucky, I think, with these wheels. I absolutely love them. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pack these up onto my car. I'll put them in, and then we'll take them over to get them mounted and balanced. And then, of course, put them on the car and we'll see what it looks like. So this may very well be the last time anybody sees these wheels on the F10 535i, which is kind of sad because removing stock wheels right now feels kind of wrong. I don't know how to explain it, but I mean, those wheels are technically stock for the M4, you know, so it's just an OEM plus type upgrade. Staying in the BMW family, but man, these wheels are so pretty, but they've got to go. So let's go change these wheels. And we're back. I am back home. Didn't get a lot of footage of them putting the wheels on and the tires on, but you know, there's not really much to do other than just imagining them, you know, mounting and balancing the tires. But they are on and they look absolutely unreal. Can't get a good angle because I'm in my driveway right now, but I'll try the best to show you. I love it. I absolutely love how it looks. This looks so good for so many reasons. Now the car finally has that aggressive look that I've been looking for so long. But the thing is, with those wheels right there, I just couldn't get it because those wheels are too luxurious. And yes, those are the M Sport wheels, which are definitely way more sporty than the base wheels. But still, you know, BMW wasn't trying to make this a really aggressive sporty car. They just wanted it to look a little bit more sporty, you know, for the average person than, you know, the base. But they were obviously going to save the full aggression for the M5, which makes sense. However, now this car looks, honestly, I want to say complete, but we all know that's just not true. You know, your car is never complete, but this looks so good for now. Check that out. Look at the front right there. Absolutely love how you can see the full brake disc and the full caliper now. Before you couldn't because the spokes were way thicker and they were way closer together. It just was a different design, right? But these look absolutely amazing. You can see through the wheel, you can see the brakes, you can see the calipers. It really gives it that nice sporty look. And onto the rear, you can see just how good that fat tire looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. Same thing with the brakes and the calipers this time. I love it. You may have noticed I put on the original BMW roundels and kept the anniversary roundels on the rear and the front, only for the fact that whenever you put the white roundels on these wheels, the black wheels, it kind of looks like a cop car, and I didn't really personally like how it looked at all. So I went ahead and I put on the OEM roundels here just on the wheels, and I kept the 50th anniversary roundels elsewhere. But check it out. This looks so good. I absolutely love it. It looks amazing. The car, like I said, is now really aggressive. And yes, you may have noticed a few little mods that I have here and there that are not on the channel yet. They will come, and they are amazing, and I love them. And of course, the only way you can find out when those videos drop is if you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Then you'll get the notification when all these videos about the F10 535i drop, and of course, the M4 and the Mini, which is not currently here. But subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified when those videos drop. But like I was saying, just try to like ignore the mods that aren't on the channel right now. But it looks absolutely awesome. I love it. I know I sound like a broken record just saying it looks absolutely awesome, but it seriously does. I mean, it's just better now. It looks more like a build per se now than it did before. Because I mean, I always think that wheels make the biggest difference on a car, other than like, you know, like the color of the car or something. But here's another angle. I mean, wow. I love it. Not much else to say, honestly. The wheels are significantly lighter, like I may have mentioned before. Like, seriously lighter. Like, these wheels, like, they weigh nothing compared to the OEM wheels. And even driving, you can kind of feel it. The car is definitely more active. Bumps are lighter. They're less aggressive. The wheel just, I mean, there's less unsprung weight. So you know, in theory, the car is faster and lighter. I can kind of feel it. I definitely do feel a difference, especially in the steering now with these lighter wheels, because these are fully forged, right? I mean, these are fully forged wheels meant for performance. Of course, on the M4, we have the exact same wheels because I got these from an M3, an F80 M3, but they just look so good. I got it mainly for the looks, of course, but of course the performance aspects and the weight aspects really complete this car, and I think it looks fantastic. And like I said, the little mods that I have right now, just try to like keep them out of your eyesight for now. The rear tires though are bald. They're very bald right now, and I need to change them. So I'm gonna change them for these right here. These are Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 Pluses, the same ones that I have on right now. However, I went up a size on my rear tires. I went from 275/35/19 on my rear tires, which is a factory size, to 275/40/19, just to get a little bit of a taller profile, and I love how it looks. It looks amazing. But now I'm actually gonna go to 85/35. So I'm gonna go down in the profile, but I'm gonna go wider tires, now that of course I have a 10-inch wheel in the back, the 437M, which can take a 285 happily. So you can see here, 285, 35, 19. These tires are really big. They're not as tall as the ones that I have on right now, just by 10 millimeters or 10 millimeters lower, but the front tires, proportionally, their sidewall height is 2 millimeters taller than these will be. So it's gonna be like a negligible difference. You're not even gonna see it, but it's gonna look so good. It's gonna be wider, and I'm gonna get a little bit of a lower profile, which is kind of what I wanted. I like the nice tall tire look, but I kind of want to try something new. So here we are, 285, 35, 19. These are really wide tires. I mean, they are bricks. These things are amazing. I love them. I love these tires. I've just kind of mocked up the tires right here. You can see they're gonna be slightly, just ever so slightly less tall, but I mean, they're gonna be significantly wider. 10 millimeters wider is gonna feel really great. And of course, I'm autocrossing this car now, so I really want to get the most out of it. I'm not gonna claim I'm a professional. I need every single millisecond extra. But this is gonna help. It's gonna feel fun. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna have more grip in the rain, in the dry, on the roads, on autocross. It is awesome. I love it, and I'm so excited. And it's gonna look so good on these wheels with a slightly lower profile. I'm so excited. But y'all will see that in the next video. So again, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified when that video drops and all the other videos, because there's a lot of videos coming. But other than that, that's about it. I think that is covering most of it. 437M on F10 535i. I love it. Looks awesome. But that's about it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to catch y'all on the next one. Take care.